Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Slack to Asana. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and go to your settings. Then click on notification section, find Slack notification in the list, then click that. It's going to redirect you to Slack where you need to click on allow. And once you click on allow, this is going to allow you to connect your Asana with Slack. As you can see, it's going to ask you to install the Asana right here. So you want to go ahead and continue by clicking install. And of course, you will see as well that it's going to find your workspace from your Slack as well. So as you can see, that's there. And here you're going to see that it's going to find your workspace as well, as you can see right here in the left. So click on install Asana right here, and it's going to try to install the Asana right into Slack there for you. And as you can see, it is successfully done, and I can open up Slack, and that's going to basically have it. It's going to try to redirect. If you have the desktop version, it's going to try to open the desktop version as well. Otherwise, it's going to try to open up within the browser. But the good thing is that I have that within my PC as well. And as you can see right here, it adds Asana right into Slack. So right here, this is Asana in Slack. And that's how easy it is to do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.